Hello everyone. In this video we're going to look at top cloud certifications. With the current market conditions and the explosion of cloud computing, it's created a tremendous demand for cloud engineers, and we're going to look at those rankings of those top certifications that can get you into the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at the material. So as I mentioned earlier, there is a shortage of cloud personnel. So what that means is if you're considering getting certified, now is really a great time to do it with the shortage in the market and the evolution of cloud platforms as they continually evolve and change. Companies are really valuing cloud certification as people get exposed to the latest and greatest from these cloud providers. So we're going to go ahead and look at the top 10 list from Global Knowledge, and we'll run through a little bit about what each of these certifications look like. Okay, now we're going to look at our top 10 cloud certification list. And the first thing is I put the link, the URL at the bottom if you want to get more information about these certifications, job descriptions, salary ranges. You can go ahead and check that out. But number one on the list is the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. Number two on the list is the Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator Associate. And I will mention that most cloud vendors have certifications in kind of three buckets: an entry-level certification, an intermediate or an associate level certification, and then a professional level certification. And so prep time for these certifications will range from an entry-level certification will probably take you 4 to 6 weeks to prepare for, and an associate level certification maybe a couple of months, and a professional level certification may take you 6 months of preparation to really get it down. There's a lot of material typically in these professional level certifications. So number 3 on the list is Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect. Next, number 4, AWS Certified Developer Associate. And number 5 is Google Certified Professional Data Engineer, and this has the reputation of being a particularly difficult certification to knock down. Number 6, Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals, and this is the AZ900 certification. So this is an entry-level certification. Again, if you're interested in this, you can knock this out probably in 4 to 6 weeks. Number 7 on the list, AWS Certified SysOps Administrator. And number 8, CCSP, Certified Cloud Security Professional. And this is a non-cloud specific, or it doesn't direct to AWS or Azure or GCP. It is a general certification that applies to all cloud platforms. Same with the next one, number 9, CompTIA's Cloud Plus certification. And then number 10, Microsoft Certified Solutions Architect Expert. So that's the top 10 list of these certifications, and again, they're highly valued by employees, and you can probably go out to Google and check these out, type this in, and see what kind of job listings you can find. Let's go ahead and wrap this lesson up. Okay, in summary, cloud skills are strong in demand for 2021 and for the foreseeable future. And certifications are really an important part of your resume if you intend to be a cloud engineer. And once again, all 3 major cloud providers are represented in the list, even though there's a 1, 2, and 3 between Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. They're all in strong demand right now. So that's a little bit about certifications. That's it for this lesson. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you like the material, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more material like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's it for now. Thanks again. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.